DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Welcome to DPS TeleClass.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Okay, students, now let's see what are our learning intentions for today and also how we will be successful with today's lesson. Learning intention. Students will be able to use was or were in a sentence. Success criteria. You will be a star if you know the use of was or were in a sentence. Was or were. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the verb to be in the past. Was or were. So students, now I am going to give you some tips about was or were. Was tells about one noun in the past. Were tells about more than one noun in the past. Students, first we will learn was and how can we use was in the sentences. Are you all ready? So students, now let's see how was were used. We use was for one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. We use was with pronouns, and they are I, he, she, it, and all the singular nouns. Students, now I am going to tell you all some sentences using pronouns plus was. I. I was in class UKG last year. Here, the last year means it is past. He. He was late for school. She was hungry last night. Here also we are talking about past. It. It was hot in the afternoon. Singular noun. Aisha was not at home. Here Aisha is a singular noun, so we use was. Aisha was not at home. Students, now let's look at some examples using was. Are you all ready? First sentence, she was home. Here, she was a pronoun that we use with the was. So, she was home. Eva was with her mom this morning. Here we are talking about only one person, that is Eva. That means Eva is singular. Eva was with her mom this morning. Last year, my backpack was green. Here we are talking about past. So we use was. Last year, my backpack was green. That was a big wave. Here we are talking about only one wave, that is singular. So we use was. That was a big wave. The sun was up. And here also we are talking about one sun, and that was singular. The sun was up. One boy was a lion. Here we are talking about only one person, so that means it's singular. One boy was a lion. Our school play was yesterday. Here we are talking about past, and we are talking about only one school, so we use was. Our school play was yesterday. Okay, the next sentence is one egg was not in the pan. Here we are talking about one egg, so we use was. One egg was not in the pan. Dad was cooking pasta. Here also we are talking about one person, that is Dad. Dad was cooking pasta. I was wearing a bird costume last year. Here we are talking about past, and here we are using I. That means only one person. I was wearing a bird costume last year. Students, now we will learn where and how we can use where in the sentences. Are you all ready? We use were with more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing. That means plurals. Students, we use were with the pronouns, and they are you, we, they, and plural nouns. Can you repeat it again? You, we, they, and plural nouns. Students, now I am going to tell you all some sentences using pronouns and where. We were in kindergarten last year. You were class monitor last month. They were in China yesterday. Plural noun. The fruits were in the bowl. Here the fruits are plural and we use were. the fruits were in the bowl. Students, now let's look at some examples using were. Are you all ready? We were very busy last week. Here, we is a pronoun that we use along with were. We were very busy last week. The next sentence is, soon all the penguins were together. Here, penguins were plural, so we use were. Soon all the penguins were together. Are you ready for the next sentence? You were brilliant. Here, you is a pronoun that we use along with were. You were brilliant. Alexa and Molly were little trees. Here, Alexa and Molly are two persons. That means plural. So we use were. Alexa and Molly were little trees. The next sentence is, 4 penguins were on the sand. How many penguins are there? 4. That means plural. 4 penguins were on the sand. They were so cute. Here, they is a pronoun that we use along with were. So, we use were. They were so cute. The ants were ready for winters. Here, ants are plural, so we use were. The ants were ready for winter. Mom and Sanam were resting. Here, Mom and Sanam were two persons, that means plural. So we use were. Mom and Sanam were resting. The big hats were for Kyra and Al. Here there are hats, that means plural. So we use were. The big hats were for Kyra and Al. The cups were empty after dinner. Here, cups were plural, so we use were. The cups were empty after dinner. We were all happy. Here, we is a pronoun that we use along with were. We were all happy. Students, now let's try using was and were. I know that you all can do it. Question 1. Are you all ready? It dash very hot yesterday. Here, which word should you use? Yes, brilliant. It was very hot yesterday. Here in this sentence, pronoun it we use along with was. It was very hot yesterday. Question 2. They dash hungry. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, they were hungry. Here in this sentence, pronoun they we use along with were. Question 3. We dash at the market. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, very good. We were at the market. Here in this sentence, pronoun we use along with were. We were at the market. Question 4. He dash called last night. Which word should you use? Was or were? Very good. He was called last night. Here in this sentence, pronoun he we use along with was. He was called last night. Question 5. I dash ill last week. Which word should you use? I dash ill last week. Yes, very good. I was ill last week. Here in this sentence, pronoun I we use along with was. I was ill last week. Question 6. Are you all ready? You dash at the park. You dash at the park. Which word should you use? Was or were? Very good. You were at the park. Here in this sentence, pronoun you we use along with were. You were at the park. Question 7. Aika dash going to the party. Now I am going to repeat it again. Aika dash going to the party. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, Aika was going to the party. Here in this sentence, Aika is only one person, so it means singular. Aika was going to the party. Question 8. The kangaroo dash jumping. The kangaroo dash jumping. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, the kangaroo was jumping. In this sentence, we are talking about only one kangaroo and it is singular. If it is singular, we use was. The kangaroo was jumping. Question 9. The girls dash dancing. Now I am going to repeat it again. The girls dash dancing. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, the girls were dancing. Here in this sentence, girls were plural. So we use were. The girls were dancing. Students, are you all ready for the last question? That is question 10. You dash a smart boy. Now I am going to repeat it again. You dash a smart boy. Which word should you use? Was or were? Yes, you were a smart boy. Here in this sentence, the pronoun you we use along with were. You were a smart boy. Students, I am so happy that you all have tried and you did a great job. Activity time. Here is the activity you do after listening to today's lesson. Are you all ready for today's activity? Yes. In today's activity, you have to do this worksheet and you have to read the sentences and put was or were. You have to do this work in your English notebook. Do remember to write the date and day. Okay, students? Students, now let's recall our success criteria. You will be a star if you know the use of was or were in a sentence. I hope you all have understood the activity given. If you have any doubt about the activity, feel free to call or message me. I am always here to help you all. That's all for today's class. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay safe, my dear students. We will meet you soon, inshallah. Bye.
DPS TeleClass